Good morning students, class 9th. I am Vijay Kumar Jha. Today I am going to teach you English grammar. Your topic is voice and this time it's part 5. My dear students, regarding voice, some rules I have given you. How to change from active into passive. You would have need to write some helping verbs that also I have given you. This time I am going to explain how to convert an interrogative sentence from active into passive. Just care here. I mean conversion of interrogative sentences from active into passive. Just care here. If you write do I play hockey, this is interrogative sentence, but you have to think here that the interrogative sentence has been started with a helping verb. If interrogative sentence begins with a helping verb and there is a question mark at the end, it means this is yes no question. There are two types of question, yes no question and WH question. Presently you care here how to change yes no question. Just you have to decide that this is the helping verb, this is the subject, this is main verb, and this is noun that has become object. I mean, as you have learned to change an assertive sentence into interrogative, like that you have to care here also in the same way. Just you change an assertive sentence into passive, change this very sentence also, feel yourself, set up your mind that this sentence is assertive, and as assertive is made interrogative, like that make this also into interrogative. I mean, here is interrogative sentence yes no question. This is helping verb do. You know well, do or does is the helping verb of simple present tense. Means your sentence is presently in simple present. Form of the sentence is interrogative. In interrogative also this is yes no question. I mean, you have to use here first of all helping verb because your sentence is interrogative. Now what helping verb you will use here? As you see here that do is the helping verb of simple present, but this is in active and you are going to write here passive sentence, and in passive sentence in simple present helping verb is MR. According to your object, this object will become subject so your object of active is hockey, this will become subject of passive, and hockey is a singular noun, that's why you have to use helping verb is. You have only 3 helping verbs, is MR in present tense, in passive. Your sentence is here present, simple present, that's why you have to use this helping verb only. according to hockey, use here is. Right now, is. After it, you have to use in the same way as you do in assertive sentence. Write down hockey is. Hockey is. Hockey means helping verb plus subject you have used. Now you have to use your main verb, and main verb in active is play, but in passive all the verbs are used in third form only. Is hockey played by me? Is hockey played by me? Just here main verb play has been used in third form, object has become subject, and the subject of active has become object in passive. In the same way, you have to change an interrogative sentence from active into passive. Just care here. Did Sita sing a song? Now, dear students, this one is active and you have to change it into passive. Now, you know well that did is the helping verb of simple past tense. Means this one is helping verb, this one is subject, this one is main verb, this one is object. Now you in assertive also you use object as subject, subject as object in passive, and main verb in third form. Now justify your brain here. Did is the helping verb of simple past. That's why you have to use in passive also the helping verb of passive voice, and your object is a song. A song is the object of active. That's why this will become subject in passive, and a song is a singular noun. That's why helping verb of passive in simple past tense is was or were. That's why according to a song you have to use here was. Write down here was. Was a song. Was a song means you have used here helping verb of passive in simple past according to singular subject was you have used, and after this you have to use third form of a main verb. Main verb is sing in this sentence, and third form of sing is sung. So was a song sung by Sita. In this way you have done from active into passive of yes no question. But at the time if there is WH question, you have to think over this. Just care now about WH question. Why has she called him? Dear students, WH word is in the beginning. It means this is WH question. WH word remains same. Why will be why. Now rest part of the sentence according to yes no question as you have done here, like that do here also. After why You see here has plus V3. Has have plus V3 means present perfect tense. Now after WH question there is need of helping verb. So write down here has. Has is the helping verb of passive. Has been, but before subject you can use only one helping verb. So write down has after why, and then write down subject. Object of active is him, so it will change into nominative case, and then it will be written he. Why has he been called by her? Question mark. I mean here him has become he and she has become her. If there is who in active, then it changes into by whom in passive, and rest use rest rules as usual. Means as you do in assertive, do here also. Only you have to take care the use of helping verb and question mark. This way your time is going to be over. So something more regarding voice will be discussed later. This time your time is going to be over. Thank you.